Hello, and welcome to this video. Um, so this is going to be chapter 8.1 of starting out with Python, version 4. So what you want to do is you want to get the user to enter in their first, middle, last name, and then you want to print out their initials. So how we're going to do this is we are going to make three different functions along with a main function. The first function will be collecting the first, middle, last name. Then the next will be getting the initials from the first, middle, and last name already inputted. And then the last one is going to be displaying them from the initials that were calculated in the previous function. And then lastly, you got the main function. That's just bring everything together. All right. So first of all, we're gonna get the people to enter in their stuff. So you will do def we're just gonna call it names. We got first name equals input. Now, what I'm gonna do is just copy this and then paste it two more times. So we're gonna change it to middle and then last name and then middle and last. All right. So right now it's just going through and gonna ask what your first name is, middle, then last. Okay, now what we gotta do is we gotta use a return function so that we can use this data in the next functions in the main function. So we're just using this to pass it on. All right, so next we're gonna take that data and we are going to go to the initials function. So first initial. So we're getting that first name, and then we are going to take the first one. Now, how you get the first letter in that name is 0 counts as 1. So we're going to use the brackets, and we're going to enter in 0. So that'll grab the first letter, entered in for the F name. And then obviously, just like the other things, we can repeat it 3 more times, except change this to middle, change this to middle, and change this to last. All right. Now, we're going to return it too, because we want to be able to print it. Oh. Lastly, we're going to print so all this is going to do is print the first initial and then lastly we are going to call the main function, because if we start this it will not do anything. So what we got to do is we got to make a main function so that the things get passed along correctly. So So what this is doing is it's getting the, oh shoot, sorry. There we go. Okay. So what this is going to do is it is getting the first, middle, and last names, and it's calling these functions from there. So next we're going to do oh shoot, I forgot something. We need the first, middle, and last name. That's why these are highlighted red. So all right. And then we also need the initials. All right. Now we're going to do the initials. And we're going to make sure that it has the first, middle, initial, and last initial. Oh, wait. No. We need the middle name and last name, because this is mirroring right here. So that was my bad. And lastly, we're going to do print, and then the three things we need are right here. So these things, just copy and paste them into there. And then lastly, you gotta call the main function. So enter my first name. I am John. Yo, Doe. And then boom, it prints my initials. Now, if you want to have like a separator function or separator part, you can also add on separate, and then all this is going to do is in between printing the first, middle, and last initial, it is going to be, oh, there's going to be a period. So, let's just do Sally, Kelly, Smith. Oh, huh. Okay, that's weird. Huh. Okay. Okay, so the problem was I was just saying print instead of calling the function print. So I changed the name and now it should work. So John, Frank, Carey, JFK. Boom. Okay. That was my bad. I shouldn't have called it print. Because it was calling like this type of already in there function. So yeah, but that's the video. Hope you like it and stay tuned for more.